Trasy Enterprises offers advanced hot melt coating machines specially engineered for manufacturing self-adhesive rubber labels with high precision and consistency. Designed to meet modern label industry requirements, this machine efficiently applies 20 GSM hot melt pressure sensitive adhesive (PSA) using a slot die coating system, ensuring uniform adhesive distribution across the substrate. The slot die technology enables accurate control of coating thickness, edge definition, and minimal adhesive wastage, making it ideal for rubber sheets and flexible substrates used in self-adhesive labels. The hot melt PSA coating process delivers excellent initial tack, strong adhesion, and long-term bonding performance, even on curved or uneven surfaces commonly encountered in industrial and automotive applications. Trasy Enterprises' hot melt coating machine features a robust construction, precise temperature control, and stable melt flow to handle rubber-based PSA formulations smoothly. The system is suitable for continuous roll-to-roll production, offering high output with consistent quality. Low operating costs, reduced solvent usage, and an eco-friendly process further enhance its value.